Hey there everyone, Andy Cassidy here with Cassidy & Associates Real Estate. Today we'll be going over some basic real estate terms you're likely to see in your transactions. You may already know some, you may not. Here we go. The first term we'll be going over is escrow. Escrow is a neutral third party. They will be handling a lot of the documentation throughout your transaction. For example, they'll be going over the title and HOA insurance, the HOA documents, and the lender requirements. They will also be handling all of the funds throughout this process. Typically, an escrow period can last between 21 and 30 days. The RPA is your residential purchase agreement. This will go over the purchase price, the down payment, the length of escrow, and other terms and conditions. This is a lengthy and important document. This will be the roadmap for how your transaction goes and the terms and conditions of that transaction. The RLA is the residential listing agreement. This is an agreement between the seller and the agent or broker that sets the price, the length, and the terms. Multifamily residences, these include your duplex, your triplex, your fourplex, and so on. The great thing about these is they dramatically increase your gross scheduled income. However, they do cost more. Fixed rate mortgage is a mortgage where the interest rate and the payment are the same throughout the entire loan, compared to the adjustable rate mortgage where the interest rate is subject to change through different periods. A good thing about the adjustable rate mortgage is that the rate usually starts off low but then can go on higher as the loan continues. The comparable market analysis is used in trying to find value. Typically, an appraisal is used in trying to find value. However, agents and brokers will use the comparable market analysis when they need to come up with the listing price. The comparable market analysis compares neighborhood properties with very similar features to their price points. Single and dual agency. Single agency is where an agent represents one side of the transaction. Dual agency is where the same agent represents both sides of the transaction. Dual agency needs to be disclosed and confirmed by both sides of the transaction. The pre-approval letter, this is provided by the buyer's lender to the seller, showing that they will most likely qualify for a loan up to a certain amount. Private mortgage insurance, otherwise known as PMI, is insurance for the lender in case the borrower defaults on the loan. The borrower is required to pay this PMI. The borrower can get out of the PMI once they have a certain amount of equity into that property. Title insurance. This is required by the lender. As the buyer, you want to make sure the seller has free and clear title of that property to sell to you. Is a flipper. A flipper is a person or entity who buys a property low, puts some money into it in improvements, and hopes to sell it high. Hopefully when they go to sell, the market is still going strong and that they will make profit. Home warranty plan. A home warranty plan is requested by the buyer from the seller. The home warranty plan covers for about a year all the appliances and components within that property. So if a dishwasher or a dryer goes out, this plan covers it and it will either be replaced or fixed. I've covered some common real estate terms that you will see in your transactions. Drop in the comments if you want me to make a part 2 of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you on Tuesdays and Saturdays.